And he told, that means you got All India rank 22. First when I saw that, I was shocked because I didn't believe it at all. Hi, I'm Angelina Victor and I just cleared CA Intermediate with All India rank 22. I'm not a person who kept a timetable as such because I never thought I could follow it. But the main aim which I had was in a day I had to do at least 3 papers. So morning, immediately after getting up, I used to do the first paper. Then I used to have breakfast and then I used to do the second paper. After that, I checked the morning 2 papers and correct the papers and see the mistakes. Again in the evening, I used to do the third paper. And towards the night, after checking all the mistakes and correcting it, I used to revise all the mistakes once again so I could get clear and thorough. I always used to approach the faculty first, and the faculty would always clear whatever doubt I used to have, whatever doubt it was, whether it was a small or even if it didn't make any sense, always the faculty would help and would guide me. And if the faculty was not available, I used to go to the mentor, ask the doubt, and I used to get it cleared. Exactly at 11 o'clock, I saw that the result was posted. I saw 2 successful. I was overjoyed because I saw that I passed. It was that I could clear it. I could clear it in the first attempt itself. Then I checked individually each subject the marks. It was beyond my expectation. It was very high. I never expected anything like that. Then first what I did, I just called my mother and I told her about my result. She was very happy hearing it and she was also very grateful. She was very proud of me. And when I was communicating with one of my friends, she actually told me to go and check whether you might have a rank. Is it possible to have a rank? I didn't know how it was the method of how you are supposed to actually check for this rank. I just googled some newspaper article and I saw AR 123. I didn't know more than that was actually possible or where it was published. So my friend told that when you search in the site itself, there is a merit list. So I went and I checked. When I typed my roll number, it was written 22 over there. Honestly, first I did not understand what that meant. So I took a picture and I sent it to my brother and he told, that means you got All India rank 22.
When we knew that she had passed in her CA Intermediate, we were really very happy. But then after a while we came to know that she has secured AIR 22. That made me very, very happy and very proud as a mother. Lakshya played a very crucial role in her victory actually. Lakshya teachers and all were very supportive. And I could feel that every day when I go to pick her, when she came out, she has a lot of things to say about her classes and the way the teachers were teaching her, and she was very, very happy. I feel that happiness that Lakshya could provided a very big support in her success as well, because without being happy, the child will not be able to secure so much good marks. So we are very happy with Lakshya in their overall support.
So it was with all the dedication, hard work and the focus with my studies that I was able to clear both CA Foundation and CA Inter at the age of 19 in the first attempt itself. This journey has taught me that consistency matters more than perfection, and if you have the right guidance, anything is possible.